The ceiling is turning into sky, watching the clouds go swimming by. Gravity let go of my hand. I'm walking inches off the land. The traffic lights are melting down into a river through the town. Close your eyes, count to 3. Nothing here is solid, nothing's really real. Just a catch a falling star, but it slipped right through my fingertips, like honey dripping from the lips. Time is moving like molasses now. I tell you when, but I forgot how. We are paper boats and satellites, drifting through the dimming lights, tangled up in silver wire, setting the quiet dark on fire. Don't wake up, not just yet. Let the sun create a silhouette, fading in the fallen haze, lost inside a velvet maze. Everything is soft and slow, where the echo wants to go. Where the echo wants to go. Paper boats, satellites, just float.